All right, Mr. Charles, you
Let's
can
stop,
go on.
bro.
Mr. Charles.
Okay. I want to ask for the switch to method. Do we leave it empty or maybe pass a URL want to direct it to direct us to
What do you say?
the switch to? Do we leave
Yes.
it empty as it is or we pass in maybe a
No,
URL
you're
where
not
we
passing
want us
any
to take
argument.
us?
You are still, we want it to switch to alert. It's a method. You're not passing anything there.
Okay.
You can see it as a continuous stuff, like dot alert. You still want to add another method to it. You don't pass anything, it's empty.
Okay, thank you.
For this, when you're using alert, right? The only scenario you need to pass a text or anything is when you're using the send key. That's when you're interacting with a prompt alert. I'm sorry I've not been recording this, but I want to do a quick recap for the purpose of people that will be seeing the video. Just give me like 5 minutes. I'll be very fast. Is that okay by us, or we should just continue with the class?
I think it's okay.
Please, we should continue with the class, Abby.
No, do a recap for the purpose of those of us that want to go back and watch the video.
All right.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
will not be detailed, shall, because of our time. We still have a lot to cover. So, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, so we are talking about understanding web elements, right? We've understand the click method, like what's the click method when you're trying to interact with your web elements. I need to click on a particular element, right? You use the click method to click. And we've understand the send key method. When you want to type to an input box, like to a text feed, right? You will need the, for example, right? If I want to actually type to this particular feed now, I will use the send key method to type whatever I want to type to it. Now, we want to talk about the get text method. This get text method, what is it going to do? It's going to fetch the virtual text for us. Like, let's say, for example, I want to confirm if latest order history is actually correct. Like, it's part of my test case. I want to confirm if they have not make maybe any error, like maybe any grammatical error. What did they used to call this error? So I just want to confirm if they have not omit, like misspell error. Thank you. Misspell error. So I just want to confirm that. What am I going to do? I'm going to use the get text method. So how am I going to use it? I will inspect this element, right? I will copy whatever I want to copy. Then I will be able to use, after I've find element by ID, CSS selector, anything I want to use, dot get text. This will actually fetch me the text of the element I interacted with, and I'm going forward. I will now be able to actually write my if and else statements. Okay, if my text is equals to this, it should return this, and the other way around. Now we talked about declare. In scenarios where I've actually input something in a text field, like manually when I'm testing, right? And I've actually input okay, when I'm testing, like I just inputted this test package and I want to clear it, I want to delete it. So I will use the clear method to do that. So that is why we use the clear method. You actually interact with elements and you will use .clear to clear whatever method, whatever thing you've written on it. Now this get tags name, right, is actually when you are trying to interact with the HTML element, like the HTML tag name of that particular element. Now, most of the time, if you inspect an element, I was trying to call Mr. Charles the other time, and it was not available to give us front end knowledge. But most of the time, right, the tag names are basically what the tag actually open with. In this scenario, this tag is button. In some scenario, it can be anchor tag, which is going to be A. In some scenario, it can be input, and some other scenarios. So we are going to use the get tag name to actually do that as well. Now we want to talk about how we are going to undo drop downs, because when we are testing, we will run into drop downs and all. So if you want to undo drop downs in Selenium, right, you are going to actually structure your code like this, and you're going to call the select method. It's the select method that will be able to enable you to select. If you see that most of drop down, they'll ask you select, they will even put it in the placeholder, like select from this. It's not like type, and it's not like click. So if I want to interact with this particular drop down, I'll have to select either of these options. Now I'll use the select method to actually interact with my drop down. And how am I going to do that? This is web element test drop down, can be any. Like, I'm just trying to make this my elements a variable. Like, this is what I'm trying to do with this particular line of this code. And after I've done that, I'll use the select drop down to equals to new select drop down. Now this select drop down is still me just trying to make this test drop down now as a variable, but now I just don't want it to be an web element variable. I want it to be a select variable, so I'll be able to perform other select actions on it. After I've done something like this, then we have three methods that we can use to actually select. Is that select by index? If I'm selecting by index, right, I will go to the drop down I want to interact with, then I will count. It starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. In the case when I want to interact with logout, my index number is going to be 3. In the case when I want to interact with dashboard, my index number is going to be 0. Now we have select by value as well. This time around, we want to select by the value of that element you are trying to interact with. Then we can have our dashboard, our notification, our settings, or in case when we have number, we can have the actual value of the element, as well as the visible text. We can use the visible text also. I know that when I come here, it's going to be a dashboard. I'm going to input my visible text here. So I'm going to use this drop down dot select by text, and I will input dashboard here. So that is how it actually works for handling drop down and alert. Now I want to actually talk about alert, right? We all know that when we are testing, most of the time we will see an alert either for successful creation, like it's just a little pop-up that does not even require you to perform any action. Maybe it's just a close button, then you are good. Or sometimes you can see a confirmation dialog box that will asking you, is that you click on yes or you click on no. If you click on yes, that means you accept. If you click on no, that means you reject. And sometimes we'll see a prompt alert that is expecting us to actually send key, like to actually respond to it. Like, for example, if you come to these settings, right? If I come to this setting, I want to delete. So this actually expects me to input something. So this is like a prompt alert. It's expecting me to input something. Now, how do we undo all these types of alerts? Now, I said we have to use this driver.switch2.alerts. Like, that is actually the method. We will call the switch2, we will call the alert method. Then we now call the method we want to use to work with the alerts. The first method we are going to call after we have called our driver is the switch2 method. Then we will call the alert method, and the next one we are going to call is actually the dismiss. If you want to dismiss, like if it requires you to just close, like maybe I don't want to continue, I just want to close, I'll use dismiss method. In this scenario, I'll just use dismiss. Anytime you see this pop up, just close it. That is what the dismiss method is going to do. Now, in another cases, when I'm going to use, if I want to accept or reject, right? If I have, are you sure you want to continue? Yes or no, for example. Now, if I want to click on yes, I'll use the accept method. And if I want to click on no, I'll use the reject method. Now, another method I'm going to use, if I want to actually this is for getting text of a particular alert, like of a particular message. Like, I want to confirm if the message is actually, like, I want to verify if the confirmation message is actually correct, right? The string, your form has been successfully submitted, if it's actually correct. So you can use this to actually capture the alert. If it's coming in alert form, you can use this to actually capture the text of the alert and verify whatever you want to verify with it. Now, I want to talk about the send key. For this particular alert, it requires me to actually input something here. So I'll use the send key to send whatsoever inputs I want to input here to this alert before I now use continue with any other action I want to do on this alert. I'll use the alert dot send key, whatever key I want to send, my password 12345, and I'll now put that will enable me to be able to interact with this field. It will input 12345 here. I'll be able to delete or cancel or continue or enter when I'm done. Do you understand this? Can we now go to the practical section aspects now? Do you have any question once again? Anybody? All right, let's open our Selenium, everyone. If you don't have any question, please let's open our Selenium. We have less than an hour, and I'm hoping we will be able to cover. Let's open our Selenium. Please let me know when we are done. Can I continue? I want us to create a new package inside my first project. Just create a new package and name it automation exercise. And inside the new package, create a new class and name it register user. Please, I want to know those people that are following. If you are actively following, right, just signify so that I will know people I want to check up with. You can just use a thumb up. You can just use anything. Okay. Okay, Samuel. Is it only Mr. Samuel that is actively following?
I'm following. I want to create the package.
Okay, peace. Okay, Mr. Charles. Okay, Zuliat. So I want us to create a new package inside my first project, right? We have the project. Just create a new package, name it automation exercise. And inside the automation exercise, create a new class and name it register user. If we are done, right, let's do the basic setup. What is the basic setup? If you are using your this one, if you are going to use Chrome, do your setup, declare this, maximize your browser, and I'll be sending the link to us now. This particular site we want to test. So I'll send it to the chat. So I want us to do your basic setup when you are done. Once you are done, just do your basic setup, launch your browser, and okay.
Hi, Taiwo. What did you say we should name the class?
Automation exercise.
No, the class.
The class, register user.
Okay.
The package is automation exercise and the class is register user. Princess, can you hear me?
Yes, ma, I can hear you.
Yes. Oh, I saw your message, right? And
Yes.
Juliet confirmed that the class was uploaded together and one other person. So it's not
Together.
separate. Yes. They said
Okay, okay.
it's uploaded together. So you can check with that.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Yes. Right. I want to send the link to this document and give us access to view for Mr. Samuel request. And I want to send it on this call. So for those of us, how am I going to? Juliet, yes, I can hear you.
Yes, ma. You said we should do the basic setup. Are you referring that we should create? Are you trying to say that we should reference that reference library where we'll call our Chrome WebDriver and the other one?
Yes. And where you open your browser
This
as
is it.
well.
Ma, is it the ones you highlighted?
Yes, this particular one. And when you open your browser as well.
No, what I'm trying to say, that if you click on reference library, we already have our Chrome there.
Yes.
So are we going
Yes.
to call the Chrome again?
Yes,
And
we
this
are
is
just
what
going to call it again for this new class. This is a new class.
okay, ma.
Yes. So we are going to use the URL I sent to the chat. So I'm sending the link of today's class. Mr. Samuel.
I'll send it now.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I don't know what's not big deal.
Who did
Whoa, I
not know?
did it.
Who is that? Please, are we done? Please let me know when we can continue. Soma, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Good evening, ma. I joined late, so I don't know what's going on.
And I just asked us to create a class now. Are you with your PC?
Yeah, I'm with my PC.
You joined it. When did you join? How many minutes ago?
It's just 5 minutes ago. I just joined when you were completing the I see tax Abi waiting explanation. Alert, Abi.
And that does not mean you can still join the practical section.
Okay.
That was just to give us an idea of what we want to do. So you can still grab for the practical section as well.
Okay.
Mr. Charles, are you done? Mr. Samuel, Juliet, Peace, Mr. Victor, Princess. Please, I'm waiting for us to be done so we can continue.
Sorry, what did you say they should name the class?
You have to create a new package, name the package automation exercise.
Okay, not
And
even so.
you have to create a new package under this project, under this my first project. Create,
Yes.
create a new package, name it automation exercise, and under the package, create a new class, name it register user.
Okay.
Yes, and do your basic setup when
All
you are
right.
done. Launch your browser and use the URL I sent to the chat as your base URL.
Okay, ma.
Please, I'm still waiting for us, so I've not been hearing from us. Hello, Mr. Samuel, Mr. Charles. I expect us to be done. I expect us to be done by now.
Almost, sorry. I quickly went to download that name before it expired. Continue.
It cannot expire now. I've granted view access already, and I'm not restricting that anytime soon. Mr. Charles, what about you?
I've added the URL, but it is opening the one which is in the first project. So I'm trying to commit it and test this new package to see if I can see the result.
Is opening what? The one with the
The
first.
first package.
When you want to run the URL, you have options to select, right?
Okay,
You should
I
have
didn't check that.
options. You should check for options. Maybe in your
Okay.
case, maybe you're having two, I don't know. But you should select the one that has to do with this automation exercise part.
Yeah,
Or
I
you
think I have
can
to change
just
settings.
or you can just right click and
Run.
run. Yes, then you run like on this program itself. Just
Okay.
like on your new program, right click on run as, then you run as Java application.
Yeah, thank you.
That
Let me
one,
try it.
so yeah, try it and let me know. Julia, so how about you? Juliet, can you hear me?
I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
a
I'm on it,
question.
ma'am. I was trying to connect on that network.
Okay.
I have a question.
All right, sir.
So I saw two links that we are
On the
to
chat,
use. I don't know if I should use the second one on the chat.
yeah,
I understand the
you have
two.
to use the first one. The
The
second,
automation, yeah.
yeah, yes, you have to use the
The
first
second
one.
one is what?
The second one is the link to the what?
Slide.
To the class, to the slide Mr. Samuel requested for.
Oh, thank you so much for that link. I've run my own and I was able to open the automation sites.
Okay, that means we're on the same page. All right. Okay, so Peace, what about you? Okay, good. Who else? Mr. Samuel, that means you are done, right? Okay, Princess. Yeah, good.
Sorry, Ma. So after creating it, I'm just going to import, do the normal, getting my driver and all of that. Then driver dot manage and all of that, Abby.
Yes, and in your driver.get, right? You are going to use this URL, not Google this time around.
Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, it's
I
fine.
sent the URL to the chat and run the code. Let me know if it's working so we can know how to proceed.
Okay, let me
All
just
right.
run.
So I feel like Princess is on the same page. Samuel and Victor and Mr. Hope. Good evening. Can you hear me? I'm not sure.
Yes, I can hear you. I'm not with my system, so.
All right.
Later.
All right, no problem. So what happened to Peace? Did network kick her out? She's not on the call again. Okay. So what else are we waiting for now? Zuliat, Alpha, Mr. Charles, have you run it again? Is it working now?
Yeah, it is working.
Okay, good. Soma and Zuliat, can we proceed?
Ma, I want to copy the code though. Just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me just add the URL that you sent. Sorry.
Okay, ma'am. So when you have copied the code, just save it and run it. Let me know if it's working before we proceed. Okay, so while we wait for others here, this is what we are going to do. This automation exercise is actually basically built for QA purpose to test, to perform automation testing with it, right? Now we have this test case. We have this test case, and if I click on this test case on this field, this is what I'm going to see. These are different scenarios I can actually test with, like 1 to 26 different test cases I can actually run. But in this case, I want us to actually test. I'm hoping we could be able to finish. But if we cannot finish, we'll take the remaining one as assignments. But I'm hoping we could be able to finish, right? I want us to test this register user. So what is steps? This first step is for us to launch our browser, which we have done. Abby, Mr. Charles, and others. Please, let's be following. We've launched our browser, right? I want to confirm we've launched our browser. Okay. We've actually navigated to our URL as well, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so the next step for us is to now verify that home page is visible. Based on my explanation, who can tell me the best approach to actually like perform these tests by our using our writing a test script for this particular text? The test scenario is that we want to verify if home page is visible. So how do we write our code? If you want to perform this test manually, like what are the possible approach you can do? Oh yeah, now let me open the site for us in another tab. Please, I don't want us to take much of our time. Now you want to verify this is the home page, right? You want to verify if home page is visible. So what can we do? What are the if we want to have a test case to verify if home page is visible? What can you do? What can we test for? What can we test with? Or manually, if you want to perform this text, how are you going to approach it? Please, I want us to talk. Forget we are using any automation tools now. Manually, you have your first test after you have launched your browser, right? You want to verify if your home page is actually visible. What is the scenario you will use to perform this type of text?
Manually, I will click the
Yes.
home page button, or as well refresh the home page.
You will click the home page button manually.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that is like an approach to it. Okay. So who have any other approach or a better approach? Please, let's talk now. We are QA testers here now.
Okay. Christopher, can you scroll up?
Uh,
The automation
up.
exercise. Yeah, the automation exercise. You click on the icon to refresh the home page. So
You click on this automation exercise icon
yes, to refresh
to
the home page. See if it's
refresh the home page. Okay. All right. Princess, you wanted to say something?
yes.
Princess. All right.
Yes, ma. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So if we're using automation, I think we can. Since there's a home page navigation link, I think we can find the elements with
And
the either name or the X.
if you find the elements, then what are we going to do with the element?
Try to run it if it's going to show anything.
Okay. So I feel like manually, right, we can actually go through all those routes, right? Manually, you can click on this icon and refresh your page. Then you confirm that, okay, you're on your home page. You can click on your home page icon, right, to actually refresh the whole home page and to be able to confirm. And another approach is that you can actually, if the home page, if it's a particular home page like this free exists, right? If it's an home page that have a welcome, you can actually confirm. In some scenario, like you can only have a welcome something on the home page, right? You can actually search for the text, like confirm, like if that welcome text is there, like welcome Taiwo, like in the case of this free exist, something like this, right? I can actually inspect this element, right? And just want to confirm if this element is actually visible. Now, I want us to now write a code to verify if our home page is visible. I've actually tell us 3 approaches. I'm going to use the one that suits for me. You can use another one. What are you going to do? In the case you want to actually use your home button, right click on this home button, inspect the home button, right? And copy. And please, when you want to inspect, if you are trying to do with this button, I don't know, it might be a dynamic element. Just use expert. Just use expert. Just use expert for this button. Just use expert. As well as this also. All these elements that does not really have, just use expert for them. So do you understand what you are going to do next now? Or do you want me to explain?
Ma, please, can you explain again? I did not understand what you meant that just use expert.
Like if you inspect this element, I said we should use experts. We should not try to look for ID class because most of these elements won't have. So just click on your copy and copy by experts. Zulia, this is what I meant. Then you will now have your if and else statements. Are we doing that already, or you want me to actually also do it? So I actually verified my own page is visible by text. I have my code here already. I actually verified my own page is visible by text. Peace, right? Your hand is raised.
Okay,
But
sorry,
I
I
can.
was having network issues. I don't know. I think I'm lost.
Have you do your setup? Where did
Okay.
you? Where?
I stopped where you were asking us to open our Eclipse and then set up our web driver, like reference it again in the new class.
Have you done that?
Yes, I have.
Have you actually navigate to the new URL, like this automation URL?
No.
I sent the URL to the chat. Do you get that? Should I resend it?
Please resend. I got kicked out of the class.
Sorry, I noticed that as well. I asked of you. Hey, I don't want something like this. Please, I've sent it. So do you understand what I'm going to do now? Let me just do. This is what I mean by like I want to verify if home page is visible. Then I can have, depending on the method, I want to click on this using Mr. Victor's approach, right? On this home page to refresh. So I'll be able to know that okay, I'm on home. What am I going to do next? I'm going to come here, right click, inspect. Please, are we following? Hello? Am I still
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
call?
Yes, yes, ma'am. You are in the call and we
Oh,
are following.
okay. So I will inspect, then I'll copy. I said we should use experts because if you check this element, right, it has only anchor tag, which is href, and we cannot even search by that. So that's why I said you should just copy experts and just come to this place. Driver dot find elements by dot id, then you input the id, sorry, by, you cannot tell me that I've made mistake. My expert, when I input it here, then I terminate my dot, click. I can just call my dot click, yes. dot click. Then I can save my code and run it. Don't proceed if there's zero. There's zero. It has actually clicked. That is why it's actually having. Oh, I have a lot of code. Don't worry. But your own should also work. You should also click it and verify it. Please confirm if you have write that test or verify if home page is visible so we can go to the next test. Hello.
Ma, my one is going back to Chrome page. It's not going to the automation exercise page.
What did you do?
I did not do
Ma,
anything.
Are you sure you did not add dot navigate back to it?
No, I wrote verify if home page is visible. Then I was following what you're writing, and I copied my own ID from the expert from the inspect page from that automation exercise website.
Okay. And
I
it's going
think
back to the
I think she's meeting with somewhere with the one I was facing earlier.
she's actually facing the same issue as the one you are facing.
Yeah,
Your own
maybe
too
it's
is
a path when
your own too,
she
your own
clicked
too is going
online.
your own too is going back to the home page to home page.
It is going to Chrome page. Oh, I thought it was going to the Google one, the one he was using in the first package. I thought that is there. She's facing. I don't know if it's a different.
Yes, it's the same thing. It's not going to the automation exercise page. It's going back to the Chrome page. It's the same thing.
Can you just send your code? I don't understand. Please, has anyone be able to do this?
Ma, I have a problem. My own problem is different.
What
My
is your own problem?
dot click is not responding. Click is not responding.
It's not responding.
Yeah, if I want to call it, it doesn't come up. And if I go copy from elsewhere, it will be showing code error. It's that dot click that is the problem.
Dots. It's not coming like this.
Yeah, it doesn't come.
I know I've error in your code before.
No, that is the only error. I haven't had error until I got here.
Ma,
Yes, ma'am.
please can you scroll up a bit? Like, I just want to see something.
You don't need this, right? This is my own test case. Let me
No,
just
I know. Just scroll up a bit. I know.
Okay.
Thank you. I want to
So,
check something.
Zuliat, please send a screenshot. Or Mr. Charles, can you share your screen? Or any of you? Let me just see how it's going. Princess, are you able to run yours? Samuel, are you able to do it?
Mine is working. It's fine.
Mine is working perfectly.
Okay, Charles, yours is working. It's fine. Samuel, yours is also working perfectly. Princess,
I will
please,
bite all of you that your own is working and my own is not working.
don't bite them. Don't bite
Everybody
them.
should come back to the
Oh,
same position.
okay, so Peace, your hand is raised. You can unmute and talk, please.
What was the next assignment? I've finished creating and calling my WebDriver and everything. I've used the URL
Didn't get
to
job.
get title. What
Yes.
else did
Okay,
you ask us?
and you have opened it and it's opening, right?
Yes, it's opening.
Okay, so I said we are going to be testing this test case. This is actually the test case we want to test, this register user. And we have launched our browser. You've done this piece, right?
Yes.
And you navigate to the URL, which is this URL. Now the next test case here is to verify that home page is visible successfully. Now, and I've said that there are different, I asked question like manually, if you want to do this, how do you do it? Some people say they're going to click on this home page button just to be sure that there's an home page, like there's an home button, and you can actually use the get text method. Like you can get, if this button is like is going to return to you, but you are using the click method piece. So the next step is just to inspect this home elements, copy it, and I said we should use experts because this is not have, it does not have ID, it does not have just use experts just to be on a safer side. Use experts and you should click on it. So that is how we are going to verify if home page is visible. That is the next task. Peace. Have I answered your question?
Yes, you have. Thank you. And then I remember you saying you wanted to send something, a document. I don't know.
I sent the
I
link
don't
to
know if
the
I'm right
so
though.
please, sorry, please, someone can help me to resend that. I sent the link to the chat already. So Victor, what's the issue? Juliet. Oh yeah, Soma. Please. We have
Ma,
we
I've
have
sent the picture, ma.
okay, let me check. Someone can please help me to resend the link to the chat. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, Mr. Victor, you have sent your
Yes, ma'am.
screenshot as well. It's loading. Oh. It's just loading. I don't know why. I cannot. Who can share their screen? Who is? You can see now. You are joining with your phone. You are joining with your PC. Can you share your screen a very quick one? So we look. It's just loading. The picture is not coming. I don't know why.
Ma, is it my one that's
I'm not on my
loading?
PC.
The two, both yours
Ah,
and Mr. Victor's own. I'm not
I'm not on my
seeing.
PC. I'm back on my phone.
I know. I know.
I can see Mr. Victor's one from my end, then I can see my own too.
Please, can you solve my own problem?
Me, how can I solve it when I don't solve mine?
Okay, Zuliat, yours has come now.
Okay, ma.
Feel like it's taking time to load.
If I talk about my own problem, you feel end this class.
As,
So.
how am I going to end the class because of your problem? Imagine, no, somebody wants me to end my class because of your problem. Zuliat, how do you have
Ma,
so many error going on? Like you have, like, is your problem that's supposed to even make me to end this class safe?
ah, yeah.
Has anyone seen Zuliat's code?
Yeah,
Please,
I've seen it.
you have seen it. You say a problem can make me to end the class.
I think she's only
Zuliat,
missing importing
she
a
did not use
package.
the main method first. She
Yeah,
just used a normal class. Like I've told you that when you want to create your class, you should check this main method. Can you see that that is missing? Juliet,
Ma,
the structure.
I did not understand what you are saying, ma.
When you want to create your new class,
Yes, ma.
for example, you have to delete whatever you have there. And you said it's running.
Chineke.
Ma, please, can you help me? People like saying that the same problem I get with Julia.
I don't talk saying that problem go make me end class because only that
My
problem.
case is different. I'm just looking for click.
Now only that problem. Only that problem fit made me end class.
Ajay.
Okay, now let's back to the class, right? Now this is Julia, this is what you are doing. So now you have to delete whatever you have. Create a new package, right? This is what you are going to do. You have my
Yes,
first project. Just right click and come to new, then you select package, then you name it
mm.
automation exercise. Don't check
Mm.
this for whatever when I was explaining the first class. Don't check it. If it's unchecked, just leave it.
Oh,
And if it's
I forgot.
checked, don't check it. Then you finish it. That is the first one. The second one is after you have created a package, you will have something like this, right? You will right click
Yes,
on this
ma'am.
package, right click on this package, and create a new class.
Class.
So
Yes.
after you want to create a new class, right? After you have
Yes,
entered your
ma'am.
class name, is very important. You will now check this public static main method. This is what is going to make your code to run.
Yay.
Except you are using a class constructor or some. But if you are not using from a different class, you want to run your code from this class, you have to check this box. Then you click on finish. So Zula, that's your first error. You have so many other errors, but fix that. You and Soma, fix that first.
Ma'am.
Delete whatever you have and try again. So Mr. Victor, let me check your own. At least your own code, your own problem no go make me end class now.
I hope
Okay.
so.
Somebody has even provide a solution to you, Mr. Victor. They
Who
said
did?
just close your code with delete the CL you put. You see, we have debugger here. Mr. Samuel,
About the
go
burger? Oh,
go to the
what up?
chat. They will tell you what you are
I'm in
what
the
you are
chat.
not.
I'm not seeing anything, ma'am. Only, oh God, this class here. Wonderful people every year.
They like you.
Yeah, I know. They love me. It's not even just like,
Okay, they love you.
yeah.
Mr. Samuel did not like you, shall.
Yeah, that one. He wants me to go and
Naim
be
talk
watching
say make you
match.
go and watch Premier League the other
Don't
time.
mind him.
He's the one that is providing solution for you now.
He's my friend. Don't worry. I will manage
Okay.
him for now. But
Okay.
he should just say it. He should just use his voice and say it because I can't even see what he's saying.
Okay, Mr. Victor,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So
Yes, ma'am.
their true approach to this thing.
Okay.
If you cannot see the dot click method, dot click directly here, this is what you're
Yeah.
just going to do. Just come here, type web elements.
Okay.
Web elements like home. Home is just the name of the button. It can be any. Is equals to driver dot find element by ID. I'm just telling you another approach now.
I never knew I would ever code in my life.
Don't worry, nobody knew.
What is this?
So then you terminate. Then you will now do home dot click. You should be able to see it now. But when you do your web element, because this is the first time you are doing it, it will bring an error. Just over on it and select import something. I hope you get that.
I hope so too. Even me, I'm hoping on myself.
Let me copy this thing for you. Just copy paste it on your delete
Thank
whatever
you.
you have.
Delete which
And
one?
that line now. That line that is giving you error.
Are you serious? Okay.
I'm not serious. So
This one.
go and watch Premier League.
Okay,
Exactly
just
the
Juliet,
reply I gave to Mr. Victor.
Samuel,
go and
now
watch
you are talking.
go and watch Premier League. I'm not
I'm not sure if
serious.
Samuel likes me.
You said he loved you the other time. I was using
I'm
like he
not sure.
said
I'm
love.
doubting it.
Okay, just use something like this, right? Just paste it. Delete that you have and paste this instead. But your web element will be want to throw error. Or let me just copy this to you. You should put it at the top of your code. Well, it's not even here for myself.
Even Mr.
Just
Chas even speak grammar give me now. Oh God. These people that are in this class are all developers.
yes, Mr. Charles love you so much. You see, is P still on this call?
They are speaking languages that I don't understand.
P,
Yeah.
Yes,
so
I
please,
am. Ma?
okay, are we on the same page now? Peace, are we on the
Almost.
same?
Network is really bothering me.
Hey,
It's
Jesus,
slowing.
why is peace
Almost,
network like?
almost. I'm getting to where you are.
Zuliat, hope you are not going to go with your MTN internet like this to peace house. So you and Soma, how far? How far now?
On it, ma. On it, ma.
I want to continue. I want us to continue. If at all I want to give us the remaining one as assignment, at least to some extent, I want us to test the major things. We can go and start doing the remaining one as assignments from step. We are in step 3 now, and we are going to step 18. You see that it's still a long step.
We can never do it as an assignment. No.
Why?
It will not work.
Why won't it work?
All of us will fail.
Okay, now for those of us that have actually do home.click, right? So if it's actually click, you can verify, like you can confirm that it's actually visible and it has actually loaded. So we can just move on to the next line of the action. They said click on the sign up and login button. Please let us do that. We are now on the home page. Don't forget, manually you can just do something like this. Home page. Now the next action is for us to click on this sign up and login. Now I want us to, what are we going to do? The same thing we did. Inspect the sign up and login and click on it. But I want us to structure it this way. Like click on, you can see my code. Just give it title first. Click on sign up button. Then you do something like this. For others, Samuel, Princess, Peace, for every other, Charles, and every other person that is actually on the same page, we'll be checking up with others later. Do you understand what I asked us to do?
And the code you sent to me is not working.
It should not work. What is
But
actually the, what is
Victor
actually
has
the,
2 register users. I don't know why. He has 2 public register user in his code.
he has 2 public register user.
Yeah.
Hey, ma, please, finally, I'm in the browser, automationexercise.com.
Thank God. We
Holy
give God
Ghost.
the glory,
Hey.
honor.
They say I'm in 2 public users.
You see, Mr. Victor, you see that you were the one bragging that your own case is different. Now
My case is different indeed, though. It's a different case altogether. 2 public
I
users.
think I have a suggestion for Mr. Victor.
Thank you.
what
Please.
Let us loan Mr. Victor to maybe product management.
We not manage your products. Carry that product out. You want to chase me out?
Mr. Victor, but you said you ran this code the other time and it works. Why even having
See,
2 public?
I ran it and have opened that home page. But now, the only problem that's got me here is this dot click. Dot click is just the problem here. How
Mr.
do
Victor,
I get?
but at the same time, I don't know, maybe you're trying to create a constructor, but just delete this public register user class. But if you want to delete, right, from this, it's trying to create a constructor. Can you see my screen, Mr. Victor? Mr. Victor, what are you seeing? Can you see my screen? Hello? Hey, am I still in this
Yes, you
class?
can see it. You
Yes,
can
yes,
see it.
yes, I can see it.
Okay, I want you to delete this public register user. Delete it from this to this close tag. Just delete it.
Okay.
Yes. And my
Public
own code,
register,
the
right?
second one, no, the second one, no. Mr. Victor, are you using main method like this? Okay, you're using main method.
So I say I should delete the public register user, right?
Yes, the one at the hub, you know you have 2. See, me,
Yeah, the
I'm
one
only
at
having
top.
1. Me, I'm only having 1, and every other person is having 1. So Charles and others, please, have you actually click on the home page button? Sign up rather.
Using Expo.
Yes,
Sorry,
use
sorry,
expert.
Okay, it's
sorry, ma.
done.
Please, Samuel, I want you to do this as well. Please, I'm coming. Hold on. For those of us that have actually verified our own page, please let's move on with the next one. The next
Samuel.
one is that we should click the sign up and login button. So, Mr.
Ma.
Victor, okay, so my
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma.
Okay, sorry, I'm in the home page now. So you said we should click on the home page, then inspect, and then copy the expert, right?
Yes, ma.
That was
Then
the
that is
next
the
you did now
that is
after locating it.
yes, that is for this test case to verify if that the home page is visible successfully. So you are just going to inspect your home page and it's an approach. Just click on it, then you'll be able to verify with that.
Okay.
All right. So, Mr. Victor,
I have an appeal. I have an appeal.
where are we?
Where we can only be now is if you can beg Mr. Samuel to take me on a class tomorrow.
To take you on a class tomorrow.
Yes.
Mr. Samuel wants to watch Premier League. I'm not sure.
Yeah, we'll do it before 12.
He's a Chelsea fan also.
Yeah, the Chelsea match
I
is
did
not
not
by 12.
I did not know the time.
It's not by 12.
Mr. Victor, you can talk to Mr. Samuel directly, right?
He can
Mr.
hear me,
Samuel,
and I'm making a public appeal to him.
okay. Mr. Samuel, public
No,
appeal.
I'm with you, man.
You're not with Mr. Victor.
He's not with me. He can never. He's just running.
But
He
Mr. Victor,
wants to loan me.
what's the current issue now?
I deleted it and I ran the application, and the thing is reading a different thing. It's not telling me to register
Okay,
what
I feel for me to solve Mr. Victor's problem, let him share his screen so we can all see what he's seeing from his end.
Exactly. That's actually the best approach. But he said he's joining with his phone, he's not joining with his PC. That's why I'm asking them to drop screenshots. On a normal day, if you are actually running into an error, let me see your screen. By that, I'll be able to know what is actually going on.
Okay, let me try joining with my PC. Let me see if I can share this screen.
Yes, if you can share your screen, that's going to be the best approach. Zuliat Alpha. Is she still on the call? Yeah. Zuliat.
Yes, ma'am. I'm still on the call. I'm trying to I got an error message. Web driver cannot be resolved to a type. Home driver cannot be resolved to a type. By cannot be resolved at automation exercise or register user.me.
Import. You have to import all these things. Let me just send. I use UI select.
Oh no,
It's like I'm here, I can share.
I'm coming. Oh. For those of us that is actually with me, have you been able to click the home page? The next login page. The sign up button. Whose mic is that? Whose mic is that? Oh, Mr. Victor, mute your mic, please. Juliet.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Juliet, can
yes,
you
I
hear?
can.
I'll send it. I'll send it. I'll send this. Are you using Chrome?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send this line of code to you now.
Ma, can you hear
And
me?
I don't want to hear you for now, Mr. Victor. I'm coming. I'll send this line of code to you. I want you to import it, to paste it up.
Can anybody hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Mr. Victor, please give me a moment.
There's trouble
Okay, ma'am.
now. Okay,
Do you see? You are going to import it after
Yes,
this
ma'am.
package. Mr. Victor, please give me a moment. Oh. Do you see? Just paste it
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Before your public class, you should be having something like this. So before this, just paste the code I sent there. Save. That should resolve any issue. Or send a screenshot after you have saved. Oh yeah, Mr. Victor. Please, before Mr. Victor. Yes,
okay.
Oma.
Okay, I just wanted to see that dot. Don't worry, it's fine. Just leave your this thing.
I should leave it like this. I want to stop sharing now. Mr. Victor wants to share. Please, Charles, Samuel, Princess, and who else was on the same? Have we been able to click on our next button? Charles, I have another task for us. I have another task for us. That's what I'm asking. Charles, Princess, and Samuel.
Yeah, I have done.
Done, right? Okay. Now, if you click on this button, we'll be having these two. I want us to go up on the next task, right? Now we know what to do. For this one, what are we going to use? We are going to use send key, Abi. And for this one also, we are going to use send key. And for this one, we are going to use sign button. Now just name it. Click send key to name. That is going to be the next. Okay, enter name and email address. Just name your test case, enter name and email address. No, you expect this name. Now, this is actually something that's very tricky. This name, when I expected it this afternoon, I saw that it has a name. Okay, it's not okay. You can even use it for this name. Sorry, this email address. You can use name to locate this name. The element, the placeholder to his name. But this address, email address, it has name, email, and the same thing this field. But you know you want to interact with this field, not the second one. So you have to look for another element that you can use. And in this case, just use expert to interact with these elements. I'm trying to explain this to Samuel, Princess, and Victor. I want you to actually
No,
interact with
Victor is
this.
not among.
Okay, sorry. Samuel, Princess, and Mr. Charles. Do you understand me, please? I want the three of you to respond.
Yes, we're
If
getting
I
you.
if I get you right, man, you're supposed to after doing the clicking for the sign up and login page.
And if it's
First,
successful, you should have a page like this.
yes, I have this page currently.
Now you want to register new user. You want to expect this element, write the name of the new user and the email address of the new user. Like for example, you can write Victor and you can write victor@gmail.com. Then you click on this sign up button. Please, I want you to do those three so we will attend to Mr. Victor issue. Mr. Victor, you can
Yes,
share
ma'am.
your screen.
Yeah, I am.
Mr. Victor, do you know what you are going to do? Just delete this class. Delete it.
Whoa.
Delete. Yes, delete this register user. I don't have. Yes, just delete.
No.
Okay. I should create another class.
Yes, create another class as register user. Please, others you can follow. You can follow this Mr. Victor screen. Create a new class. Soma, Zuliat, and others. Please,
I've
you can
created a
follow.
new class,
Ma,
man.
I've been able to run it, ma.
And it's working now, Abi Zuliat.
Ma, I was able to get automation exercise. But ma, can
Okay.
I see your console? Do you have anything on your console?
No, I did not print anything to my console, so I will not have anything on my console.
Because
Juliet, yes, there's nothing there. You can just go ahead and interact. The first test case is to verify if home page is visible. So
I
what
did
I
That's
that
did,
where I
one.
am, ma. That's where I am. The verify homepage is visible.
I've done
so
that, ma.
you have interacted with this home page, Juliet. So
Yes,
hold
ma.
on.
Yes,
Okay,
ma.
the next test case is to click on this sign up button. That's the next test case. Click on the sign up button. So do this also. So when you are done with that, actually give tasks to other people to actually enter. Wait. Okay, actually give tasks to actually enter name and email address. So you can do this too as well. Okay, you're not even seeing my screen. Hey, sorry. I forgot that it's Mr. Victor that's sharing. But Juliet, let me know when you're. So, ma, I'm coming. Mr. Victor,
Yes, ma'am.
don't create this class like this. Uncheck this constructor and uncheck this inherit. Thank you. Finish. Okay.
Then
Now
I shouldn't
you can now do your setup.
delete this public class.
Don't delete anything. No, don't delete anything. You can now do your setup now.
Okay, well,
I know say na copy and paste you wan do. Do am sharp sharp.
I know they hide them now.
I know, me sef no.
Now you teach me.
I'm waiting for you to share your screen, ma. When Mr. Victor is done.
Thank you.
Okay, I want you to interact, Juliet. I want you to interact with this sign up and login element and click on it.
Ma, is
Let me
this
know
your
when.
screen,
No,
Mr.
that's not my screen. I'm telling you that on the home page you will see sign up and login. I want you to
Yes, ma.
interact with these elements and click on it. That's
Yes, ma.
actually the next.
I clicked on it and I can see body style.
I don't understand.
I click on it. So when I clicked on it, it's showing me
It will take you to a new page and you'll be having login to your account or new user log sign up.
oh, I went to inspect.
I said you should inspect and interact, like you should write a code to click on it. That is the next line of the code. Do you understand?
Please, I'm waiting for your screen actually. Oh.
So,
You watch
Mr.
my
Victor,
screen.
which URL is this? Which URL are you trying to copy?
The
Just
one
copy
you
and paste.
sent.
And is this how you just copy and paste this stuff now?
I've copied
I
and
think
paste now.
the URL. Oh.
That is it. That is it.
Oh, okay, save and run your script now. Let me see.
This drawing of script is another thing. You could need to tell me the shortcuts.
And a shortcut dey beside it now. Just capture it. Okay. Now the next code is, what is this welcome pop-up on your Mr. Victor? What's this pop-up? You know, that pop-up was showing for.
It's like
Why
a
are you having?
consent. If I should consent to it.
And if you want to run the code again, it will come again.
Yeah, if I do it will come.
Okay. Okay. Do you know what the next step is for you to actually ask us to click on the home page to verify if that home page is visible. So that's the next code. Oh yeah, write it.
I should that is driver dot find element here by I didn't get that.
Is it that or the home page? We are using the home page.
Yeah, this is the home page that was even popped up.
Yes, we are using the home. Whose call
Okay.
is this? Sorry, a minute, please.
Samuel, can you take over? Who brought this dot click? Thank you.
Mr. Victor,
Yes, ma.
you did not terminate your code now. No, Jesus. Oh yeah, put that mark, that exclamation mark or semicolon or which mark.
This one.
Yes, for every line of code you write, ensure you have it at the end if you want your code to run properly. Now save your code and run. I feel like your code is working now. So Ma, can you share your screen?
I cannot share my screen. My problem is what I'm copying is correct though, but I don't know why it's showing error in my Selenium.
What error is you showing in your Selenium?
Sorry, in my Eclipse, sorry. I mean, what I copied, the part I copied for the verify homepage is visible. What I copied, let me just snap it and send so that you see what because I know I'm not seeing any error. I don't know if the fault is from the part. I don't know, but let me just snap and send so that you see.
Mr. Victor, your code is working now, so you can continue to write. The next line of code is to click on this sign up and login button.
Okay, let me stop sharing first.
Yes, you can stop sharing. I need to share my screen, a very quick one. So I want to give out my assignments now. And I will expect us to do it because we might not come back to it. Mr. Victor, please stop sharing.
I'm trying my best to stop sharing.
Ma, please, can you check the group so that you can see what I was talking about before you continue, please?
It's still loading. It's still loading. Your image is still loading. Okay, so Charles, Samuel, and others. Are we good? Do you have any issue? Hello, Mr. Charles, Mr. Samuel, Zuliat, Princess. Are we done?
Almost, please. I wrong the name, so I'm working on the email.
Okay. What about you, Mr. Charles?
Okay, I tried to use it by name, but I've seen that it has two emails, so I'm trying to
Yes,
replace it
for
with
the
XPath.
email, yes, I actually explained that before we start.
Okay,
The
yes, that's
email
what
is the
I'm
same
going to work
thing.
on.
Yes, I said it. So your image is just okay. I can see it now.
I don't know if there's any problem because
Now, so what you want us to do for the next one, just the same thing you have done now, but you should test for different things again.
Yes. You want to click now?
Ma, you see what I'm saying?
Do
Because I
you have
don't.
a full stop at the beginning of your find element?
No. There's no full stop. That's driver dot find element. Sorry,
I'm not seeing your driver.
I did not snap it to it
Right,
because
the
it
expert.
was the code is long. The problem is from that header.
Is
That
this the
that's
is this the expert you copy? Do you have the
yes.
same?
This is what I copy, but what I'm seeing in you guys' own, it has slash like around that header, and I added my slash to know if you can see your own. There is slash, but there's no slash in my own. So
Just delete what you have. Let me send this line of code to you. And you
send
can
your own. This is what I'm copying from my own, and it's
what are you trying to do? To
I
click on
want
sign
to
or verify if home page is visible.
I
Which
want
one
to
are you?
verify homepage is visible.
Okay.
Just send me your own.
Just delete what you have and use this. I have a part. Just there's actually an error. Let me see if I can edit. Okay. Okay, just use this. Peace. Your hand is raised. Please, you can talk. Peace. So
I don't know if
yeah.
what is doing me is network, Abi is me that is not getting it. I will raise my hand up again. I just want to try something out.
Okay. So I want us to get it because I want us to actually run everything. Although I just want to practice the drop down for us so we can continue and run every other thing as an assignment. Please give me a moment, please.
Okay.
All right. So, Juliet, I want to say something.
Yes, ma'am. My first question is, is there a formula for all this code? You know, in mathematics now, if you want to do any topic, there's always formula. Maybe there's formula and there's a way we'll just write everything down in one sheet. So that when we want to
Formula.
write our code, we'll just be taking we'll just be checking the
Like,
sheet to write the code. You know, we are not front end developer like our guys there. Then
it's
secondly, on your screen, I
mm-hmm.
can see that for the verify sign up is visible. You copied a part that says ID form and some stuff. My one is not showing that. What I can just see on my own end here is body style equals to
Don't
so so and so. So
don't follow my screen. My code, the
okay,
code that is on my screen is more than what you guys have. I've tested almost the major scenario in this code on my screen. So just
okay.
don't see what is on my screen. And for the formula, I don't know how to go about that. I just want us to don't overthink what you are doing. The first thing is that if you are not doing it right, just try to be as calm as possible. There are just some basic error you might check for. Maybe like Mr. Victor that did not terminate his code. Like I've always tell us that if I write a line of code, I will end it with this. I don't know the it says semicolon. It will always end with this mark to terminate each line of code. So you check for that. Another thing is what you are writing, like what you are checking for. Check syntax. Most of these things are syntax error. So what is syntax error? For an open bracket, there must be a corresponding closed bracket. So I'm just trying to give you like just like the formula you're asking for now. So if I have this driver.get element and I have open brackets and I do not have closed brackets, it will lead to an error in my code. So if you are trying to write your code, check for 2 open brackets, there must be a 2 closed brackets. For 3 open brackets, there must be a 3 closed brackets. So these are just the basic things you can just check for just to make sure that whatsoever error you are actually getting is not like your error. Sometimes you might run to big error. Of course, we are still going to be talking about error handling, but for now, before we start talking about error that maybe is not your fault, just like when we are doing API, some error are your fault and some error are not your fault. So now let's just focus on the ones that are just basic things that you feel like other people are getting. And don't think because this person is a front end or this person is a back end, that's why they are getting it. No. As when I learned Selenium, when I learned coding, I was not a front end, I was not a back end, I was just a QA transitioning to automation testing. So I just have to put my mind in getting it and understanding the concept of how it works and know what to do and what not to do, which I've actually give you some basic stuff. If there is an open for every code, if there's an open tag, there must be a close tag. If there must be a semicolon. Like these basic things are things you should check for. And when you want to copy, now we are dealing with copying experts, copying everything. You must put whatever thing you are copying, you must put it in quotes like want to quote it, just try to check for those basic things. So like I feel like to some extent I've answered your question.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
But there's no formula. Like there's no big deal formula. Just let's just work together.
Ma,
Where are we? Where are we
ma,
now?
ma.
Soma, I mean it, please. Juliet, please, where are you?
I'm already in that sign up and login, but because I noticed that your code is different from my own, the
No, no,
form
no, no,
called my
no, no,
attention.
no, no.
Mhm.
I said after you have on the sign up and login page, you should proceed and click on you should proceed and click on. Don't follow my code. I'm giving you instruction. My code has a lot of stuff. We can still check with later, but don't follow my code. That's why I'm asking us to do it ourselves. So just proceed, and if you're on the sign up and login page, right, just proceed to the next test. And the next test, according to this test case, is for you to click on this send name to this one and send email to this one, then click on this button.
Yeah,
Then you should be able
I've
to
done
register.
that.
You've done that, so we're on the same page now. Don't follow my code. If you follow my code, I'll beat you. Soma, what's the issue? Soma, what's the issue? Zulia, your hand is raised.
Ma, the
Ah,
issue with is I know this thing I'm writing is correct, but I don't know the problem. But the error message is saying web elements cannot be resolved to a type. And
this is what you are going to do. The web elements I sent to you, just add this to it. At the top of your code, you see where, see, just add it to it. Let me send it to the chat.
what should I add?
Add this, imports,
It's in my
just
own.
add
Is
web, web elements.
okay for web elements. Okay.
Okay. Peace, your hand is raised.
I think I'm having similar issue with Soma, but the thing is, I have web elements.
Yeah, you have web elements,
I
yeah?
have web elements, and then it's giving me cannot convert from void to web elements.
Let me send your code, screenshot and send your code to the chat. Let me do a quick check of what's going on. Victor, your hand is raised again.
Yes. Now my question is, can you share with us this assignment, these new ones, how we can assume
Can
what
I
we
share
should
what?
do? There's an assignment you have been talking about, the other text that we should carry on and do.
Yes, it's basically we are just going to go to this automation, and I want us to finish the old stuff.
That's
But
what
I
I'm
want
asking.
to,
Can you share it with us?
yes, I'll send it. We have the URL already, right? It's on the
No,
URL.
no, it's not there. I checked. I went through.
It's there. If you come to this home page, just click on your test cases.
Okay.
And this is the one we are doing the test case one, which is register user. Then you drop it down. Then you see
Okay.
the scenario you have to check with. Is there?
Thank you, ma. I'm
Yes,
sorry, I
you're
will leave
welcome.
the class. My manager is chasing me from office.
All right, no problem.
Thank you.
The class is even we are even using extra time, so in the next 5 minutes or so, we should round up as well.
Where did you say we can locate this stuff now?
The link I sent to,
Okay.
just click on test cases. Then you drop this. This is the one we are working with, register user. Then you drop it down. Peace, have you sent your screenshot to the chat? Juliet, Charles, Mr. Charles, Princess, have you been able to do this? Are we on the same page? And Samuel
There's
as
a
well.
lot going on.
Yeah, Princess,
There's a lot going on.
a lot. Bow. Where are we?
It is my code.
Can you share your screen?
Let me share my screen with the other.
Okay, let me stop sharing. Princess, have you sent your code to the chat? Abi Peace rather.
I'm sending it right away.
Okay. Please let me see. Let me see what's. But Peace, you join with your PC as well. You can share your screen. Why did you have this if and else in your code?
I wanted to know if it works. I want to know.
Why do you say if? Wait. Before you can do something like this, right?
Yeah.
Dot click. Then you say driver dot find element by which element is this?
The home.
The home. Then before you can do something like this, you have to get text. You have to get the text. Is the text that you get that you can now use? I don't know. Whatever you're doing here is wrong. It's very, very wrong. If you want to know that you are even on that home, peace, princess,
Yes, ma.
do you know what you are going to do?
No.
Yes. Let's say if you want to know that instead of using dot click method, driver dot okay web element home equals to can you scroll to the side no
Yeah.
like I want to see
Yeah.
do you have yes just go no on your Eclipse page.
Okay.
Mr. Samuel, a minute, I'm coming. I'll check up with you. Just go to this site. Like,
I should run it.
no, don't run. Like, how am I going to explain this? Just you have a vertical scroll, right?
Yes.
Just just use the vertical scroll. Is this vertical or horizontal? I mean the one down.
There's nothing. Okay, this one.
Exactly.
Okay.
No. Hey, who will want me to explain to Princess what I asked her to do now? I want to see if you have more code inside. I want to check. Just scroll this. There's a scroll like
Here.
this, and yeah, there's another one down.
There's another one down. There's no.
This is yes, this is the scroll. Yes,
Okay. That's
exactly.
horizontal.
Yes. So let me just see. Okay, you terminate this. Okay, now scroll back. I just want to check what you are doing. Scroll back. Home dot click. Now, if you want to do something like this, you will not do home dot click. You will do home dot get text.
Okay.
Yes, you will not click. You will get the text. I don't know which element are you trying to find again here.
The home button.
Which one did you find in the first place?
I've not found anyone. It's just this home.
This is web element home equals to driver dot something something, and there's another one driver dot find element by expert.
It's the same.
Jesus, this is not right. This is not right. That's why I said don't follow what you see on my screen. On my screen, I understand what I'm doing, and I just want you to do your own. It's not compulsory; it should be the same as mine. So that's why I said you should not follow what's on my screen. So that's why you're having a lot on your. So if you want to use the click, just use the click method and just move on to the next. And if you want to verify if the home equals to home, you will not use dot click. You will use get text instead. Hope you understand my explanation.
Yes, ma.
Yes. Thank you. So Prince, peace.
Ma,
Okay, you send it right. Let me check.
yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
Mr. Samuel and Mr. Samuel.
You
Wow. I raised up my hand earlier.
All right.
Can I share my screen also to see? I've
Yes,
written the code already.
you can share your screen. Oh.
Okay. So this is the
hello,
code
ma.
we
You
have to
have
select.
not answered me.
Peace. I'm checking. I'm checking. I'm currently checking.
Are you with me, man?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. So this is what you're supposed to send on this. Oh, this is the That's assignment you
Wait,
gave us.
Mr. Samuel, what did you do? Why will we write name equals to name? Is
No,
this
no,
how you
this is
find
what
an is this how you
okay.
find an element? You find an
So this
element by name. What is the element's is name? And in the case of email, I've asked us not to use no, don't use this slash. If you want to inspect, right? Just inspect and copy the um
this is my
elements.
this is it now.
Okay.
The
This
name.
is the element you want to inspect. The name, right?
Yes.
Eh,
Yes.
eh. You want to find it by name, not name equals to name. You just copy
Yes.
this name. This is the one you need.
Not this name.
If it is
This one.
ID, you just copy. Yes, the name. If name is equals to name, then you use name.
Okay.
Only
Then
the
the
name.
email. For the email, I use only email, right?
Yes, for the email, if you use only email, I've said it earlier that we are going to run into error because we have two email box on that screen. That the best way we can approach this is for us to use experts. So just use experts.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you very much for the
you're
clarification.
welcome. Let me just check.
Let me stop sharing my screen then. I
Let me
think
see
that's
your
going to
screen again. Okay, you find it by experts already? Okay,
no,
this for
no,
the
the one I
button.
find by yeah,
Okay,
that's for the
that's for the
button.
button. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So I
I can
think
stop sharing now.
yes, you can stop sharing now. Please let me check up on peace, please. Mr.
Okay.
Charles, are you attending to peace?
Yeah,
You said she should comment which line? Line 8?
yeah. Or line 3.
Okay, she should comment line 8. Peace, you have to comment line 8 or on line 3. That's true. Your by class is not properly referenced. Do you understand that, peace?
Yes,
Hello, peace.
yes, I do.
Yes, on comment the line 8. You said you have all this in your code, but you are not using it. Why do you comment it out? And this line 8 and
I
line 3
didn't
are
know that it
basic.
was the two that was comments out. I thought one was still open.
Okay, comment one out and save and try to run it.
Okay.
Okay, now this is the assignment I'm going to give us all. We have this automation exercise, and I've sent the I've also thank God. I've also sent the link
Are
to
you
my
sharing your screen?
I'm not sharing, no. I'm just let me just share. Let me just share and just explain. Let me just share and just explain. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I've actually sent this presentation to you. And there you can find what is going to help you to actually use test a drop down. Like and I've explained how it works. I genuinely explain, and hope you understand. So what are we going to do before next class? This is an assignment. This is not a task. If you do this assignment, this is just going to help you to do the task that is going to make you to course to stage 7. Like, just if you do it, it's not like this is the prerequisite, because the next task is going to be something that's going to be very, very taxing, and you have to prepare yourself for the journey ahead. So you have to do it intentionally. This is what you are going to do. You just continue from where we stop. After you have entered your email and sign up, let me just and you have signed up, right, at gmail.com, and you have signed up. Oh God. Okay. Now we have to fill this form. Like that is actually the next thing on this. Just come here. You have to fill details of this field and click on create account. You can do that this night before we sleep. Like just search for the title. This if it is Mr. or Mrs. anyone you want to use is an element. Just expect. Now by default your name and your email will come, so you don't need to input this one again. Add your password. Now use the method on the chat on the presentation I sent to actually test your drop down, the day, the month and the year, and this. Add your address information as well and create your account. Fill all the required field and non-required field and create your account. That is actually the assignment I'm giving us all. That is actually the assignment I'm giving us. Okay, thank you, ma. My code is running. It's still the
Wow.
same. We're still having the same issue. So that's basically the assignment I'm
It's,
giving us all. Peace,
Ma,
what is the issue with you? So ma, what is
it's
the
still
issue?
the
Peace, what is
same
the issue?
thing. It was not resolved after I
Can you
uncommented
share
line
can
3.
you share your screen? If you cannot share your screen, like I
Okay.
can there's nothing I can do. I can only just see, I can just try to picture what is going on. But if I see your screen, I'll be able to relate to whatever that is going on with your screen and
I
work with
can
it.
share my screen.
Just go ahead and share your screen. If you can share your screen, just go ahead and share, please.
It's not letting me share. It's saying you cannot share screen while the other participant is sharing.
All right, I've stopped sharing. You can share your screen. Someone had is raised. So, do we understand the assignment? I'm expecting us to do that. Please, let's just try to interact with those elements and test manually and all.
for me, I don't understand the assignment.
What part of the assignment you don't understand, Soma?
The reason we know I joined this class late, so I don't understand the assignment. What
And
what
watch the video from, although I record late, but watch the video. I still do some quick recap. Please, can you do vertical or horizontal scroll? I want to see your coach. Like, yes. Come back, come back. If you do, please let me explain this point to you. If you do web element O, driver does find element by, you cannot do dot click in the same line. It will show you an error. If you want to do dot click, then you don't need to make it a variable. Because if you do dot click, it is not a web element variable again. What you can now do now is just to call your home dot click. Since you have make it a variable like this home dot click, this will now enable, then scroll back and terminate this line of code. Then save your code. It should work now. So Soma, you can watch the class video again, but I sent the how to interact with drop down. I sent this slide with us. I share it with us on the group. Check with it, and I want us to actually test everything here. Like inspect this web element. If you want to use Mr. or Mrs. Inspect and put the right word, whatever you want to put there. For your password, send key to your password. For your date of birth, this is a drop down. Use your drop down, the select method. If you want to use the index, if you want to use anything, just use the select method to test your drop down. And this one too is a drop down, this one too is a drop down. So this receive special, you can actually click on this, inspect this element and click on it. It will check whatever you want to check and input all this. Like just send key to this, send key to that, that is just basically what I asked us to do. And click on enter button. So ma, do you understand now? The only place we are going to have issue in running this code, like if you missed out my class, my previous class, is just this drop down. Other place I'm expecting us to be able to do it, because it's basically you just sending key to its field. Inspect inspect this password. Just inspect the password. What is this password? Inspect. And whatsoever you want to inspect, like, okay, this ID is password, and you can, whoever does find any member hide the password, then you put your password 1234, then it will interact with this password field. You can inspect the same thing you did for this one. The only way I know that's okay, you need to add your select method is this day, month, and year, and you have it here in this code. You have it here. You'll be able to understand how to use your select method from here, the syntax here and here also, and you can as well watch the video from the beginning. So apart from that, do we have any other question? Zuliat, do you have Charles? Yeah, Charles, your hand is raised.
Ma, you called me.
For
Yes,
my
I'm checking
assignment,
up. I'm checking up on you. Maybe we're on the
I'm
same
fine.
page now, Zuliat.
I'm on the same page.
And that's what he said.
Hello, ma. It's not printing home page is visible.
You did not have a code to print home pages visible, do you? And this, we are, hello, peace. For this, we did not actually add a code to print because we want to use the click method to verify. If we want to print to the console, we will not use click, we will use the get text method. Then we will
Oh,
get
okay.
text, then we verify if the text we are getting is the same thing as the same way we did for the get title. Then, but
Okay.
now we want to use the click method that, okay, if you see an home page, there's going to be home button, just click on it. If you click on it, then we'll be able to verify that the home page is visible. So that's actually an approach someone gave in the class, and we want to go with that.
Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
you're welcome. So, Mr. Charles, you said for the tax, for the
okay.
assignment.
I was about to ask if we will use, if someone is expert only, if there is any problem for that form.
No, you should be able to use ID, be dynamic now, don't be static. If you're trying to relate and you see it's not working, then you can now use expert. You only use expert when you feel like, okay, you don't have options, or when you feel like the same field deserving to, like that email. So,
Okay.
yes, be dynamic. Just don't use expert.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Samuel, what about you? Do you have any question regarding the assignments? Any question regarding the assignments? Oprah cleared.
No, I don't have any question.
Okay. Princess, are you cleared regarding the assignment?
No, ma, please, can you show me the particular? I'm trying to locate that place that had the form.
The form. That is after you have signed up now.
Okay, after sign up.
Now
After you have
Okay,
enter
after
your
the sign.
name and click on the sign up button, then you
my
come to this complete.
sorry, ma, I want to ask a question. Now the code that I have here is click on sign up button. Now, after I run this code and it clicks on the sign up button, I'm supposed to impute an email and maybe a password, Abby. Then am I to write a code to click on and oh God, Jesus Christ. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, ma.
The code you have here is to click on sign up button and it should automatically take you to this page, right?
I'm not even seeing your screen.
It should automatically take you to the sign up page. Soma, what
Uh-huh.
are you seeing? What are you seeing on your sign up page? What are you seeing?
I ran my code because I'm not seeing any error. I clicked on that after it brought me to the page, but it did not
What
click on the
page? What
sign
are
up
you
button.
seeing? What are you seeing?
automationexercise.com. I'm seeing home product cards, the automation exercise page.
And you sure you have clicked on the sign up button?
Am I to click on it manually from here, or is the code supposed to click on it for me?
Jesus. Do you have a code to click on the sign up button? Yes or no?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I have a code. Yes, I have.
Send the screenshots of your code.
But it's not clicking, it's just opening the URL from the
If you have a
I'll
code
just
to click on the sign up button, it will click. Except you
I
did not
have a
add a
code.
send the code to the
Let
send the
me send
screenshot
the
to the
code
chat,
to you.
or you should
Let me
share your
send
screen.
it. Let me send the code.
Or you should copy the line of code that want to click on sign up button. Anyone? Please, I need to go. Soma, you can actually send the code to me. Apart from Soma, who else is having any other question or any other concern regarding the assignments? Soma, you can send the code to me on. I don't need to do that on this call. I'll check up with you later. So who else is having any other concern as regarding the assignment? So I want us to do the assignment, right? Send a screenshot. Don't send it to the chat so that people that did not know what they have not do their own, not copy and paste whatsoever you have done. So when you are done with your assignment, send a screenshot of your code. Send it to my DM. So I will check and I can call you to share your screen with me and run your code. Let me see how it's running. So I want us to do that before next class, so we can proceed from here. Thank you very much, everyone. We'll see next class. Good night.
Thank you, ma.